She's got lots to learn, but even more to teach. Gather round, citizens, let's reach it, leash.
Because we want to get our heart rate up, want to get warmed up, because we're going to get busy. We're going to do a little bit of yoga to start. We're going to do a little bit of Kempo karate, whatever turns you on, or both. If you need a little help here, you can always... Oh, we got a good floor. And by the way, at home, I recommend good shoes, because we're going to be jumping up. That's it, dude. Come on. Get busy. Get busy. Get busy. Get busy. Come on, Vanessa. Get lower in the squat. Get lower. Dummy. 10 more seconds. Come on, brother. Speed up. I think I'm beat. I'll get the finish line. You got 5. You got 4. Superman. Everybody in the stomach. Let's go. Get low.
Nobody likes
All right, 1 minute. We go back and forth. Man.
I know I can do that.
You're up, you're up, you're up. Your head is up. Your thumbs to the sky. Banana. Come on up. Reach to the top. Oh, just like. Nice. Give me an next, Vanessa. 15 seconds. Give me an next time. Come on, get down. One more, buddy. That's it, Jason. A spinner. I love it. That more time, buddy. This is it. We're done. 3, 2. Right here, man.
This is for you, Mario.
Nice. Okay, let's cool down, everybody. Nice work, Cardio X. Oh, you people brought it here in the room, and I'm sure you brought it at home. And remember, you got to go at your own pace when you're first starting out.